Hello. In this Java tutorial, we are going to see how to create a package. So previously we saw how to create a inheritance. For now we will stop it and we will explore packages. Then we will resume back to inheritance. Group of related classes together in a unit is called a Java package. So that means if we have math related classes, we can keep that under math package. And if we have graphics related classes, we can keep it under the graphics package. And if we have XML parsing classes, we can keep it under XML packages. So you see the idea that group of classes, that means all graphics related classes, that goes under a single unit called package. Package helps to organize large number of classes. So if you look at the Java SDK itself, there are thousands and thousands of classes in Java, but they are packaged. They are grouped under a unit called package. So this makes your life easy to navigate through a specific class. For what you will do, first you will point out the package, then inside the package you will browse and get catch to the particular class you are looking for. The other advantage is one way you can group classes under a package, and so it looks in an organized way. The other advantage is you can avoid name collision when you place a class inside the package. Say for example, a framework can have multiple PDF report class in different packages. Say if there is no package at all, to have a PDF report for weather, stack and hotel, then you should have a class name like weather report. PDF report weather, PDF report stacks, PDF report hotels. But with the use of packages, we can reuse the same name PDF report, but the PDF report class can live in different packages. Like inside a weather report package, we can have all the classes that supports a weather report plus the PDF report class. That means the PDF report will generate the PDF format of the weather. Similarly, under the stack, the PDF report will generate the stack report. Similarly, under the hotels, the PDF report will generate hotel related information. So the idea here is you can have the same name PDF report. You can have the same class PDF report, but in a different package. So that way we are avoiding the name collision here. To add a class to a package, all you have to do is you have to specify the package name in the start of the file. So first we have to specify the package, then we have to start our class definition. Also, this package name should be the very first line in the Java file. Okay, now we will look how to name a package. Nowadays there is a standard to declare the package, and all the organizations are following this standard. So the below picture shows some of the examples. If you see, the very first part is the reverse order of the web name. So if there are multiple organizations creating their third-party packages, their website name or the organization name differs. Say for example, A graphics package can be created by company X, company Y, and organization Z. So since the website comes first, I mean the reverse name of their website comes first, we won't get a name collision for the graphics package itself. So that's why the very first part should be the reverse order of the website name. Next, you can put as many number of packages as you need. Then inside the package you can place the classes. So picture shows how to name a package. Here coding examples is the main package, graphics is a sub package. Inside that we have one more sub package called 2D animator. Here we haven't displayed any class name, so in this picture just shows the packages, not the classes inside it. Yeah. A package can be part of another package, so that's what we call it as a sub package. So if you see here, graphics is a sub pages of coding examples. Coding example is a sub page of a sub packages of comp. Similarly, 2D animator, 3D animator, image grayscale are packages, but it is a sub package of graphics. So graphics is the parent for all these three packages. So that's what here we mean. A package can be part of another package. So shapes is a sub package of math in the above picture. Similarly, 2D animator, 3D animator are sub packages of graphics package. So above, after the reverse web format, we have a graphics and math package, and you can see that it is marked in blue color. There are sub packages of coding examples. That means there are graphics as well as math is sub packages of coding examples. That means coding example is the main package for graphics and math. Our coding example contains two packages. One is graphics, another one is math. 3D animator, 2D animator are sub packages of graphics. So you can see how it is organized. Coding examples have two packages, graphics, math. Graphics has three packages, 2D animator, 3D animator, image scale, and math has one package called shapes. To make a class as part of the package, place the package as first entry in the class name and then define your class. So this we already pointed out, and here is the example of packages. If you see here we have three part. So in the first part we defined a c.2d class. That means the class name is c.2d.java, then c.3d.java, then circle.java. There are three Java files. In each file we have three classes. In each file we have one class. In c.2d.java we have a class called c.2d, and we are defining the class there. In c.3d Java we are defining c.3d class. If you see in the before the class name we are placing the package name. That means in the c.2d we specified package math.points. That means c.2d belongs to points package. Similarly, c.3d becomes part of a points package, and circle belongs to util package. So in all three cases we defined our package name before the class name. So c.2d, c.3d are parts of points package. Why? Because we defined these two classes after specifying the points package. The points package is the very first line in the class definition file. Circle is part of util package. Points and util are sub packages of math. If you see in all three, the math is involved. So c.2d and c.3d belongs to points, and that point belongs to math package. Similarly, circle belongs to util, and that util belongs to math package. We will create classes and packages in Eclipse, and so that you will get a better understanding. So in this video tutorial demo, we will create the packages using Eclipse, and we will place some class inside those packages. We will define the class in next video. Okay, we will create the packages first. If you see in the slide, we had math.points, then math.util. These are all the two packages. One is points package and another one is util package. So creating them is easy. Here we no need to create the math package, then create util and other package. We can directly start creating the two packages, points and util. So math will automatically get created for you, so you no need to worry about it. So first what we will do, we'll create a project and we will call that as a demo project. So I'm naming it as a package demo, and that's all. We will accept the default. It will create a package for us, the project for us. Then right click the project, then choose new and click on the package. Here if you see, it's just asking for the package name, and first package what we are going to give is math.points. So if you see, math.points is there for two classes. We will add later. So we have two kind of package. One is math.pack points and another one is math.util. So first we will create this math.points. So that's all. The package is created, and you can see under the source we have a empty package. So once some class is placed, this icon will change into yellow color, I guess. So at present it is white, right? So now it will change the color, stating that this package is a field. All right, we'll create the second package, and the second package name is math.util. So this is the second package name. I'll click finish. So we have two packages. Now this util has a class called circle. Access specifier is a public. So what I'm doing, I'm right clicking it here, new class. So if you see, I selected the package and then I right click it to bring the context menu, then I'm choosing new class. So now if you see here in this package section, the package name is already filled. You can also right click the project name, then ask for new class. So in that case you have to specify the package. So if it doesn't specify the package, the Eclipse will assume that you are going to place the class under the default name. So in this video series so far, we created all our classes under the default package. So this is the first time we are placing the class under a particular package name. So this time what I will do, I will choose math.util. So I'm going to create a class called circle. So I can choose math.util as a package here. Then I can specify the class name. Also one more point, if you note here, we created only two packages, math.util and math.points. And if you see, Java picked math as one more package. So it treats points and util belongs to math package. So math is the main package, then points and util or subpackages of math. So that's what here it is showing. Right, so now I just picked a util. Here I am choosing a CI or CL circle. I need this class as a public, so I selected public as the modifier. So once I click finish, you can see the circle class belongs to math. Also in the very first line you can see package math.util. Then is our circle class. So inside this circle, so inside this circle you can place the circle members and start implementing the circle class. So now we will create two more classes. One is a C.2D, another one is a C.3D. Usually Java doesn't follow the C notation. Since I came from C++ background, I have the habit of having C, but Java don't like placing the C here. Here we have to actually specify .2D, .3D. So to match with this picture, for now I will create it as a C.2D. So this time I am directly clicking the package name. I will do it once again here, right clicking it, then new class. Here we can specify C.2D. We need it as public, so I'm keeping it as a keeping this class as a public C.2D. Then we will create one more class C.3D. All right. Here if you see the package get outer field, I'm clicking finish. That's all. Now all our classes are organized. If you see under the source we have two packages. If I expand util package, I can see circle class, and if I expand points package, I can see C.2D and C.3D classes. All right, that's all in this video. In the next video we will define the classes, then we will also see how to use the packages. Thanks for watching. Bye.